Hello Sagittarius, this is your quick oracle reading. Gamit natin ang affirmation of the fairy cats. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, do subscribe, like, and share. So for your card, we have contentment. You know what? Sabi nila, you will find happiness. You will be able to find gratification in contentment. But contentment, huwag na sa sobra. Kasi kapag naging contented ka naman sa isang bagay masyado, you will not seek for approval. You will not seek for advancement or going up the ladder. However, this contentment is advising you to be more thankful. Maging mapagpasalamat ka sa lahat ng dumarating. Kaya di ba, there's a verse in the Bible that says there, in everything, give thanks unto the Lord. Because as you give thanks, this is the way for you to activate the law of attraction. As you give more thanks, the more you attract the goodness into your life. So I hope nakatulong yung quick reading sa'yo, and I'll see you on our next video.